Hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solutions. My name is Shubham Temre. In today's session, we are going to look at shipment types in Oracle Fusion Warehouse Management System Cloud. So first of all, what is shipment types in WMS? So shipment types are the shipment attribute that express different types of inbound shipments. So user can configure shipment types to handle extra validation during the receipt. Now for creating shipment type, let's go to our instance, search with the shipment type, just click on it, click on create icon, but new shipment type, that is state vendor. So shipment type code, let's say STV, description of ASN type, that is state vendor. Now under receipt warning percentage. So this field is used to determine when the system should throw a warning message when an ASN item is under received below the configure percentage. So this warning message will display during the ASN verification. Now let's say our under receipt warning percent is 20. Next is the over receipt warning. So over receipt warning is used to display a warning message when the user over receive the ASN detail by above the defined percentage values. So let's say over receipt percentage value is also 20%. Now over receipt error. So over receipt error is used for display an error message when the user over receive an ASN details by define the particular percentage. So the user cannot override this message. Let's say over receipt percentage error is 25%. Okay. So for example, if you have 1000 unit in your application or your systems, so as we specify our under receipt percent is 20%. So if the user receives 750 units, then RF device will display an under receipt warning message. Now if the user receives 1120 units or quantities, then RF device is nothing but radio frequency device, will not display an over receipt warning message. Now at the last case, over receipt error. Okay, so if the user can receive 2000 quantities or units, then RF device will display an over receipt error message. Now next is the receipt validation types. In the receipt validation types, user can configure at what level validation is required, whether at the purchase order level or we can say that the shipment level. So here shipment level is our ASN level. Okay, right now we are selecting as the shipment. So here are our mandatory attributes like shipment type, description, under receipt warning percentage, over receipt warning percentage, over receipt error, receipt validation type in our shipment types. Here are some of our non-mandatory attributes like allow expired inventory. Okay, if you want to allow expired inventory, then you can enable the checkbox for getting allocated, picked up, substituted, or we can say the shipped. Okay, here is the next, that is break prepacks. This particular checkbox is used for the break of all shipment details that you have the parent items. Okay, can in accordance to your use, you can specify your shipment types, other attributes in shipment types. Click on save. Okay, so here our shipment type is created in a WMS cloud. Parent company, that is company ID, that is Supremo. Shipment type, that is STV. Description, here is state vendor. Okay, so percentage, under receipt warning percent, over receipt warning percent, over receipt error percent. The shipment validation, that is the shipment, ASN, and all such details. So in this way, you can create your shipment type in our Oracle Fusion WMS application. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you so much.